Hello friends, my name is Rajiv and I'm a travel professional and travel teacher in India Travel and Tourism Institute. So basically in this video, I'm going to teach you how to work on a GDS Sabre. This software is basically used in a travel agency in airline in the USA and some part of the Europe. So basically by learning this software, you will be able to get a job quickly in any leading airlines or any top travel agencies, and you can make your career as well. So in this video, our topic is what is encoding and what is decoding. So basically, encoding is the process where you have the city name, where you have the airport name or the airline name, and you just want to convert them into code. So this code is called three-letter I.T.I city or airport or airline code. But you need to remember airline code will be always in a two character. While decoding is completely different. It's just opposite of encoding. Decoding means you have the code of city, you have the code of airport, and you just want to know the full name of that city of airport. So without wasting your time, we will use the command. Basically, this Sabre is used to encoding, decoding, making of PNR, finding the best fare, issuance of electronic ticket, everything. So I'll use here W slash hyphen, and then you have to put a CC. CC stands for city. So you can use this CC. You have to remember CC stands for city. And then you have to write the name of the city you want to encode. So I'm writing here LON, London, or you can write as per your choice. You can write here Dubai, okay, or you can write here Delhi. So for the training purpose, I'm taking here NASH, Nash, okay, VILLE, Nashville, and just enter. Once you enter, you will get the details in your screen. The code of Nashville is BNA. You can see this is the three-letter code. And the full name of Nashville, and this Nashville is located in Tennessee state and in USA. Okay, so this is how you can encode any city name. Now I'm going to teach you how to encode a airport name. The command will be remain same, W slash hyphen, but instead of CC, you have to use AP. AP means airport. Now this time I'm taking a very important airport, Heathrow. So the code of the full name of Heathrow, HEATROW, and then enter. Then you will get the information. It says airport name, London Heathrow Airport, okay, and the code is LHR. So with the help of this system, you're getting a code of this Heathrow is LHR, and it says it is in a Great Britain and it is in a United Kingdom. So you need to remember the two things. W slash hyphen CC is for encoding of any city, and W slash hyphen AP is basically to encode any airport. So these two things you need to remember. Let's move ahead. Now this time we will learn how to decode. So for example, suppose I have a code of SFO and I don't know what is the meaning of SFO. So let's take a help of system. So we'll write here again W slash, but this time we'll not use hyphen. This time we'll use asterisk and then put SFO. So this command will help you out to find the full form of SFO. So let's enter this. Once you enter, you will get the complete name of this code, San Francisco. That is the international airport and that is located in California state in USA. So basically, Sabre is helping American Airlines for their day-to-day process, handling of airport management, handling of customers, making and processing the request of the passenger for electronic ticket. So this Sabre is widely used across pan USA as well as Europe. Let's try one more. So I'm writing here W slash, and this time I'm using here asterisk and I'm writing here WS. Let's see what says. It says it's Washington. It is located in District of Columbia, that is in USA. So that's all about your encoding and decoding for city and airport. Now let's learn how to encode and decode the airline. As I told you earlier in this video, Airline, they have a two-character code that could be fully alphabetical or it could be a mix of alphanumeric. So we have a question that suppose you have a airline that is Alitalia Airlines. So we don't know the code of this airline. So we'll do encoding. So we'll use again W slash and then we'll use here hyphen and we'll write here AL. So to remember, AL means airline. And then you have to use the full name of this airline, Alitalia. I'm writing here ALITALIA, Alitalia. Now this Alitalia Airlines is became now Air Italy. So you can see you are getting a code of this Alitalia Airlines is AZ is the 2 alpha code of Alitalia Airlines. 055 is the airline number and it is getting a complete information Alitalia Airlines. Okay, so this is how you can get the complete details of a particular airlines. Let's do another. Okay, W slash and then this time I'm using hyphen. I'm writing here AL and writing here BRITISH, British. Once you write British only, the system will find all the airlines starting with a British name. So you have British Airways, you have British International Helicopter Service, Chopper Service, British Mediterranean. So there are 3 airlines across the world. Their names start with the British. Okay, so this is how you can encode any airline name. Now we are going to decode. So this time I'm going to write here again W slash and this time I'll write here asterisk. Okay, and I'll write here AS. You can see you successfully have decoded this AS. So what is the name of this AS? This is Alaska Airlines and their number is 027. So this is how you can do all these things. So by now, let's recall all these things. So W slash hyphen CC is for encoding of city. W slash hyphen AP is for airport. W slash and then, okay, asterisk, okay, and then you write here code of a city like LHR. This will help you to decode, okay, of a city. And then again W slash, okay, hyphen AL and then you write airline code like take British Airways. So this is how you can encode. So basically encoding and decoding are very important because sometime when you issue the electronic ticket or you are finding a fare, you may encounter with some new airlines, some new city, some new airports. So if you learn all this, how to encode and decode, it is very easy to encode and decode for any hassle-free job. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and you have learned how to work on a Sabre. Very soon I am coming second part of this video where you are going to learn more about this Sabre software. Till the time, take care. Bye. Thank you.